Hey guys, what's up? So we got something new. We gotta add something to the garage. We have my dad's bike and my bike, and it was pretty cheap, just so you know. And it's not a KTM, surprisingly. It is a Suzuki, and here it is. It's an RM85. So the thing doesn't run, unfortunately. Sorry. So the piston probably needs to be, we probably need to get a new piston. The head, I don't know if you can see that very well. It's pretty scratched. We actually have two. The second head, I guess you could say, it's got little holes in it. You can see that pretty well. Then the cylinder we have right here has some pretty big scratches in it. So, oh wait, we got a seal. Okay, we'll leave that there. It came with one grip. Sorry, one grip. That's it. Well, I mean, like, it didn't like come with one grip and no engine. It came with one grip. We need a whole throttle assembly. We need a clutch. We need a brake lever. We need new brake pads, probably all around. Sorry, let's just fix that. Front tire, back tire, tubes. We might need a new cylinder, might need a new piston. We don't even know what year it is, because it was a parts bike. Here, let me give you the story, actually, real quick. What happened was, the guy bought an 85 or something like that. He bought it for his son. Then his son, like, they had problems with it. So what they did was, that kind of works, it's just my thumb. What they did was they bought parts bike, and they just started stealing parts off of it, like a parts bike. And they gave it to us for free. They were just like on Facebook, hey, this is free. No, like not just the bike. They were moving, so this is free. A lot of other stuff was free, but they didn't mention the bike. And this is the 85, and that's why it was free. We didn't know what was wrong with it. We knew it had the forks. We weren't sure if it had the front wheel. Didn't know if it ran. Didn't know what was wrong with it or anything. It's missing a few bolts. Clutch, brake, throttle, new tubes, tires. We need a header. We're not sure, because the guy said he might find it. If not, he'll ask his friend about it, and if not there, then we're not getting a header pipe for this bike. And, like, we will, but it'll be a while. And all I wanted to say for this video is, this will be a ton of parts, like, not just like a ton of parts, but a ton of video parts. And I think my dad might be doing some on his channel for the bike, because it's a restoration video. It's kind of cool. We don't even have a rear brake disc. It came with like a brand new Pro Taper sprocket, rental bars that doesn't have the bar pad, but that's fine. And it's overall a really nice bike. There's a few problems with it. I'm not going to say there's no problems with it. It's okay. It's all good. It's very nice. You should go buy it. No, there's many problems so far. There. But we can fix it at some point if we need to. But when we need to. It came with a kickstand, which I like, because my 65 didn't, and my 50 did, and my other 50 did. I had JR50, which is Suzuki. So it's kind of cool that I got another Suzuki. What's next, a Yamaha? No, and I like that my KTM has a kickstand on it now. So, it's pretty good. We have all the cables, like the throttle cable. I think this is the throttle cable at least. No, that is not the throttle cable. I don't think. Oh, hold on. That isn't the throttle cable. It's the opposite way. Well, we have the throttle cable though. We don't have the. Actually, we have all the cables. The shifter is very small. It's like that big, which is hard to compare. It's looking pretty good. It's got a R306, I believe it is, by, who is it? Pro Circuit on the back. And I wasn't sure if this was, I thought this was a RMZ 250 or something like that. So, that's it. I just wanted to say there will be a restoration video at some point, and have a good day, or night, or whenever you're watching this.